Hello, my name is Sal Sparacino, and I am the sales manager for Zestron Americas. 10 years ago, Zestron revolutionized PCB cleaning with the introduction of the first pH-neutral cleaning product, and today the revolution continues. VIGON NX 700 represents the next generation in our pH-neutral cleaning family. So with the introduction of VIGON NX 700, there's some key advantages to you, the processor. Cleaning performance is enhanced, which means it does an excellent job with those low standoff components that we all fight with every day. It's pH neutral, which means it has excellent material compatibility with sensitive materials, coatings, and labels. It has greater process efficiency. Beta testing and customer testing has shown that we can increase throughputs and reduce operating temperatures with the use of this product. And lastly, it is environmentally superior. And what do I mean by that? It has an exceptionally low VOC content as a concentrate. In fact, this cleaning agent can be used in the strictest of air quality management districts throughout the United States without issue, which means it meets the most stringent requirements of the SCAQMD as well as the OTC regulations. It has a very low phosphorus content. It is eco-friendly formulation that potentially eliminates the need for wastewater neutralization. It's halogen-free, contains no CFCs and HAPs. So truly, the revolution continues with the advent of VIGON NX 700. Feel free to contact me directly for additional information or any of our application technology engineers or our regional sales personnel. Thank you.